Do you want to add effects on Facebook Reels? You can add effect to a Facebook video with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add effects on Facebook Reels, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the Reel icon or tap Create Reel from the Reels section on your home feed. Now, tap the camera icon to start creating a new reel. Before recording, tap the effects icon on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of trending and popular effects. Browse through them or use the search bar at the top to find a specific effect you want to use. Tap on the effect you like to preview it on your camera. Once you're satisfied with the selected effect, tap and hold the record button to start recording your reel with that effect. After recording, you can also add more effects, text, music, or filters from the editing screen before posting. Finally, tap Next, write a caption if you want, and tap the Share Now button to publish your video.